In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Photopea from start to finish using a simple layer-by-layer workflow that's perfect for beginners. This is a great method if you want to create a looping sticker, a social media animation, a reaction graphic, or just a fun animated image without paying for expensive software. And the best part is, you can do it right in your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. Photopea is a free browser-based image editor that works a lot like Photoshop, which makes it a really solid choice for making simple GIF animations. Once the site loads, go to the top menu and click File, then choose New. This will open the new canvas window where you can set up your project. Now choose your canvas dimensions. For a sticker, avatar, or small animated graphic, something like 500 by 500 pixels is a great starting point. If you want a wider animation, you can choose a different size, but for this example, a square canvas works really well. After setting your size, click Create and your new blank document will open. Now comes the most important part of the process, building your animation frame by frame using layers. Look over at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. You'll usually start with a default background layer. This is where you should create your very first frame. Add your design, your text, your object, or whatever element you want to animate. Keep this first version simple because every later frame will be based on this one. Instead of drawing every frame from scratch, the easiest method is to duplicate your progress and make small changes each time. To do that, press Ctrl and J on Windows or Command and J on Mac. That instantly duplicates the selected layer. This is a huge time saver because it lets you preserve the previous version and build smooth motion step by step. On the new top layer, make a very small adjustment. For example, you could move an object slightly using the Move tool, change the color of a text layer, add a tiny brushstroke, rotate an element a little bit, or shift something by just a few pixels. The key is to make small changes so the animation looks smooth when it loops. Then press Ctrl and J again to duplicate that updated layer. Make the next tiny change. Repeat this duplicate and tweak process over and over until your full animation sequence is built. Think of it like creating a flipbook. Each layer is one frame, and each frame should show a slight change from the one before it. If you want the animation to look natural, keep the differences between frames subtle. Big jumps can make a GIF feel choppy, while smaller changes usually create a much smoother result. You can animate almost anything this way, including bouncing icons, fading text, moving stickers, glowing effects, or simple character motion. Once your frames are ready, the next step is to select the entire layer stack. Click the topmost layer in your Layers panel, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the bottommost layer. That will highlight all of your animation layers at once. You'll know they are selected because they will all be highlighted in blue. Now go to the top menu bar and click Layer, then Animation, and then choose Make Frames. Photopea will automatically convert those layers into animation frames for you. This is the step that turns your layer design into a real GIF sequence. Photopea will also add the required animation tag to the front of each selected layer in the background, so the program knows to treat them as frames. At this point, you should have the basics of your animation ready. Now it's time to preview and export it. Go to File, then Export As, and select GIF. A dedicated animation window will open, and your project should begin looping right away so you can preview how it looks. This preview is important because it lets you check whether the motion feels smooth, whether the timing is right, and whether any frames need to be adjusted. If the animation is moving too quickly, use the speed slider to slow it down. If it's moving too slowly, drag the slider the other way to speed it up. Small timing changes can make a big difference in how professional the final GIF looks. You may also see a boomerang option. If you want the animation to play forward and then reverse back in a seamless loop, check that box. This is really useful for bouncing effects, pulsing motion, or anything that looks better when it goes back and forth instead of restarting abruptly. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. Photopea will process the animation and your finished GIF will download straight to your computer. From there, you can upload it to social media, use it in a website, send it in a chat, or add it to your content workflow. So that's the full process for making a GIF in Photopea. Create your canvas, build your first frame, duplicate and tweak each layer, convert the layers to frames, and then export it as a GIF. It's a simple workflow once you understand it, and it gives you a lot of creative control without needing advanced animation software. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.